Welcome back to Dynamic Conveyor. The conveyor that we have to show you today is a unique solution that our customer brought to us where they had two pieces of machinery running in parallel and they needed to maintain product orientation. What we've designed is a 180-degree radius turn conveyor. It also features nose bar transfers so that we can get tight transfer of that product from our chicken deskinner to our conveyor, maintaining orientation around, and a slump drive motor creating a tight transfer at our drive end to move it onto the slicer. This conveyor features our stainless steel motor package with gearbox, standard VFD with e-stop and disconnect, and also maintains its ability to be easily cleaned. All you need to do is remove the lacing rod, move the belt back to show all the internals. And we do have all of the same features that we love once inside. Easy removability of our belt supports, and access to all of the internals to make sure you're properly sanitized. If you have a unique footprint where you need specialized conveyance, please contact us at Dynamic Conveyor.